In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new property on Booking.com Extranet. Whether you're listing a second location or a completely different address under your existing partner account, this walkthrough will help you set things up smoothly from start to finish. First, sign into the Extranet at admin.booking.com using the same partner login you already use to manage your current listing. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're accessing the correct account, since this keeps everything under one profile and makes management easier later. Once you're in, find the option to add a new property. Depending on your Extranet layout, you'll see it under Account as Add New Property or as a button in the top right corner labeled Add New Property or List Your Property. This begins a registration for a completely new property at a different address, not just another room in your existing listing. Next, choose the type of property you're adding, such as a hotel, apartment, guest house, villa, or holiday home. Each category asks for slightly different details, so picking the right one ensures you're prompted for the information that suits your setup. Now enter your property details. Add the property name, the full address, and contact information. Fill out descriptions and amenities, and define your room types and bed configurations. Accuracy is key here. Guests rely on these details to decide if your place meets their needs. Keep your description clear and honest, and double-check the map location so guests can find you easily. Upload photos that showcase each room type, plus the exterior and shared spaces. Use well-lit, high-resolution images and aim for consistent angles so guests can compare room types. Label each photo correctly so it appears in the right place on your listing. Set your prices, policies, and availability. Add rates for each room or unit type, define your cancellation policy, and set any minimum or maximum stay rules. Open up your calendar for the dates you plan to accept bookings. These elements must be complete before your listing can go live. Review everything carefully, then save and submit your listing for review. Booking.com may take some time to verify the registration and could request documents like proof of ownership or business registration. Respond promptly to keep things moving. After approval, you'll get a confirmation email. From there, manage the new property in the Extranet alongside your other listings. Update availability, adjust prices, set promotions, and track reservations. That's it. Your new property is ready to welcome guests.